Model 3000 should arrive securely packaged in a crate. Before it can be operated, the stretch wrapper will require some minor assembly. Cut the bands that secure the crate. Remove the crate's panels and set aside. Loosen the ratchet straps securing the machine in place and remove. Using a forklift, lift the machine from the fork pockets at the front or back of the machine. Standing up, the tower will require another person or object to support the weight at the top of the tower. Remove the 4 screws that secure the shipping bracket to the tower. Gently raise the tower into place. Be aware that the tabs on the bottom of the tower nest into their mounting location on the machine. Secure the tower in place with the socket head screws previously removed to detach the shipping bracket. Slide the pallet guide wheel onto the receiving bracket, which is located on the steering assembly. Turn the steering assembly slightly to gain access to the 3 mounting holes for the guide wheel. Install the provided hardware. Assembly is now complete and the machine is ready for operation.